Dia telah kemana-mana guys. Dia telah mengunjungi banyak negara di Eropa, di Asia. Ya sudah dia katakan banyak negara yang dia masuki. Tapi kenapa hanya Malaysia saja yang dia nilai sangat berbeda guys. Sangat lain. Dan itu sudah terjawab dari video ini. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Halo guys, hari ini kita berjumpa lagi di video ini di kesempatan siang hari yang berbahagia ini. Dan apa kabar Anda semua di sana guys? Selalu tentunya saya menyapa Anda semua. Semoga kita dalam keadaan baik-baik saja, sehat senantiasa jasmani juga rohaninya, serta segala bentuk pekerjaan, aktivitas, kegiatan apapun yang kita kerjakan di dalam maupun di luar rumah, semoga diberikan kemudahan dan juga kelancaran oleh Tuhan Yang Maha Kuasa. Amin, amin, ya robbal alamin. Oke, satu video yang akan saya sajikan di sini guys ya. Kita akan mereaksi bersama-sama bahwa di sini diceritakan kisah turis satu keluarga yang mana turis ini pernah beberapa kali saya reaksi guys ya. Namun kali ini dia mengupload satu video yang sangat berbeda guys, yang sangat lain daripada yang seperti biasanya. Bahwa di sini dia mengatakan ya guys ya di video ini, dia telah banyak masuk ke negara, termasuk ada beberapa negara di Eropa dan juga di Asia ya guys ya. Di Indonesia sudah pernah masuk juga ya, di Rusia dan berbagai negara lainnya. Tapi dia mengaku bahwa hanya Malaysia saja ya yang di sini dia rasa berbeda. Bedanya itu dari mana? Dia secara terang-terangan mengatakan bahwa hanya Malaysia saja yang menganggap kami satu keluarga tidak seperti orang asing. Nah, sebenarnya begini guys. Sebenarnya ini kan mereka ini kan orang asing, tapi ketika masuk di negara lain tentu diperlakukan seperti orang asing ya guys ya. Tapi kalau dia mengaku di sini, ketika dia di Malaysia itu dia mengatakan bahwa tidak diperlakukan seperti orang asing di Malaysia, hanya di Malaysia saja guys ya. Nah, yang ingin saya tanyakan sebenarnya perlakuan apa sih yang didapati oleh satu keluarga ini guys di Malaysia? Bagaimana sih perlakuan orang Malaysia terhadap orang asing, turis asing satu keluarga ini guys? Saya ingin tahu dengan berita itu. Oke, langsung saja kita mereaksi video ini tanpa banyak basa-basi. Jom. Oh, cuaca yang cukup cerah ya di video ini.
Halo. Assalamualaikum.
Again, this is my sister. This is Fiona.
And now we are going to an uncle's house.
Who's the uncle?
The uncle is my sister's uncle when she was abroad studying in Malaysia. And my sister stay in his apartment. His family is so nice, uncle and auntie. Let's go.
Let's go. 买芝士泥粉莫拉提芝士泥可乐诺迪亚。
独立广场，还有国家清真寺，走路走了一早上，打车打了8分钟就回来了。
感觉怎么样？
很漂亮那些建筑。
清真寺怎么样？
清真寺很干净，我们去那里礼拜了，特别干净那个洗脸堂。
你们还吃了什么？
印度餐厅。
怎么样？
很好吃，很辣，很符合我的口味。
Jalanan yang bersih dan juga rapi ya guys.
Okay, we're here. Wow, wow, nice place. This is so interesting because we don't change our shoes in China. So many comments said,
Why do you wear the shoes in the house? We are so surprised.
no. So this is the uncle.
This is Fiona.
Oh,
That's auntie.
awesome.
Please try.
Okay.
Oh,
Wow.
so beautiful. Wow.
So this is
Roti canai.
oh, and
curry. Oh, golia,
curry.
golia.
Wow, ada banyak makanan di sini guys ya.
Oh, chicken
Lagi-lagi
pie.
makanan, lagi-lagi makanan guys ya. Baik, saya akan membahas di sini. Ternyata mereka sudah sampai di rumah angkel tersebut ya guys ya. Namun ya mereka ini dikejutkan ya karena mungkin biasanya di Tiongkok sana masuk ke dalam rumah itu membawa kasutnya, sepatunya ke dalam rumah guys ya. Tapi saat di rumah angkel ini, di rumah orang Malaysia ternyata berbeda ya guys ya. Kasutnya itu tinggal di luar dan masuk ke dalam itu tidak menggunakan alas kaki atau mungkin hanya kaos kaki saja ya guys ya. Jadi itu yang membuat mereka sangat shock karena perbedaan itu guys ya. Oke, kita lanjutkan lagi apa saja yang mereka temukan di sana. Tentunya kita akan membahas nanti. Live.
Kebab.
Kebab wrap.
Oh, before I was studying in Russia and
Yeah.
This is
You have to dip with that. Roti
Roti.
It's just like roti canai.
So
Then
it's
you dip with
Malaysian.
With this
So
aromatic.
aromatic.
Oh, eat together? Yeah. Okay.
Oh, ini uncle dan antinya mukanya di apa ya guys ya, di sensor.
Oh. Yeah.
Wow.
We usually use chopsticks.
You want chopsticks?
Oh, that's okay. This is enough.
来吃一个。
Wow.
So this is egg cake.
Egg pie?
Chicken pie.
Oh, chicken pie.
Oh. So good. It has so many layers and then there's some coriander.
Oh, coriander. Oh,
Oh. So romantic. So good.
okay. This is
Rice
the
noodle.
uncle call it rice noodle. Oh, it's different from our province.
米粉吗？米粉。Add this?
Okay, and put the sauce.
Oh really? Chinese origin? So this is from China. Influence.
Saya nggak bisa guys nengok orang makan seperti ini, apalagi makan-makan enak.
我们的配尾是
好吃吗？看我们那个下。
反正小粉在一起，
哦。
小米辣，虾凉，还有点鸡胗。
So it's a little bit different. I think they are better.
Oh, it's better than ours.
No, not better than our rice noodle, but better than our 米粉.
It's like our specialty in our hometown.
But it's not this one.
But then you have bigger, right?
Yeah, it's bigger and longer, stronger.
I know over there they always take us to eat beef noodle.
Is it good?
This
Oh,
some
Kebab.
people
so
from
many ingredients inside.
yeah.
好吃吗？
Chicken wrap, very very chicken wrap.
Okay, let me give a bite. I put some cheese inside.
Stay in Malaysia.
Yeah, I want.
We want to stay in Malaysia.
Thailand 4 years here.
But our visa is only 1 month.
This is good. This is not spicy and it's different from I eat in Russia.
But it's Russian food.
It's not Russian food. I think it's Middle East or Asia.
Middle East.
Yeah, they love it so much. It's just like Lanzhou ramen around the world.
这些东西
Oke, lapar
中
saya
国
guys.
味。
Terima kasih uncle ya.
So
Saya hanya dapat lihat video ini saja guys,
This is-
walaupun saya tidak dapat mencicipinya.
Oh, the color is from beef. Okay, let me try. So soft and sweet.
那我也吃一口。I'm professional.
This is the first floor, the living room.
Wih, cantik juga
And then
penataan tuh ruangan di dalam
upstairs.
rumahnya.
The second floor. And this is their kitchen. Wow, so big and clean.
Very clean.
We didn't finish the meal, but it's so delicious, especially this one with the sauce. Wow.
So after visiting uncle's house, do you have any feeling you want to share?
Yeah, of course. After being a guest in uncle's house, I found some interesting things.
Yeah?
It's really different from our Chinese.
What difference?
The first thing is when they come in the house,
Yeah.
they change the shoes.
One big
Ah,
difference.
yeah kan?
Yeah,
We
this
just
is,
wear shoes inside.
yeah, but if we are in apartment
Yeah.
in the city, we
also
also
put it in the door. of
yeah,
the
but
door.
when we in our big house in our village, we just inside the room and take off the shoes.
Yeah.
Not inside the house, inside the room. And the second thing is when they say goodbye to each other, to the relatives, to his son, they kiss each other.
Ah, so just-
And
they
that's so interesting
so
and
interesting.
and
It's like
different.
a culture shock.
Yeah, everybody just culture shock now.
Yeah, we just in China we just wave our hand or doing nothing, just say goodbye.
Yeah, like I say goodbye to my mom like this. 这个 That's it.
So cruel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Anything else?
I feel their house is more cozy in our house. It's
A little bit
high,
tall. The
Yeah.
seal is high.
and the 面积 is bigger.
Maybe they also have big.
Okay, that's it.
Okay.
That's it. Do you want to share anything?
I just feel like it's so clean in the house, even the kitchen, everywhere. It's like stainless. I think one of the biggest reasons is what you mentioned because they don't wear shoes inside.
Oh, yeah.
So you don't bring the dust inside. You don't bring the dirt inside. So it's so clean.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, this place is
Betul
so
ya kan
good.
apa yang saya katakan guys ya. Betul apa yang saya katakan. Dia banyak ke berbagai negara namun dia terkejut ya saat berada di negara Malaysia ya. Karena ada kebudayaan-kebudayaan yang menarik dia katakan tadi ya. Dan kita bahas lagi ya terkait tentang kasut ataupun juga sepatu itu tidak boleh masuk ke dalam rumah ya guys. Dan juga ada hal lainnya bahwa mungkin salam ini berbeda ya daripada yang dilakukan di Tiongkok, bahwa kadang salam itu cium tangan dan juga cium pipi kiri dan pipi kanan. Namun kalau di Tiongkok itu biasa aja, tidak terjadi hal yang demikian guys ya. Beda dengan yang di Malaysia. Ini yang dia katakan. Oke, kita lanjut lagi ya. Apa saja yang dia katakan di sini kita
Not
bahas.
so many people here.
So quiet.
We walk around here, not so many cars. So many
Wah, ini
trees
ini
and
sepertinya
the
di
way
tempat
is so
perumahan
high, so great.
orang-orang
That's not
elit
I
ya.
said. My mom, my dad, and my sister said it. I didn't notice that. Everyone just said, "Wow, the tree is so big
Yeah.
in Malaysia."
Yeah, so beautiful. And the
Wow.
cloud is also big.
And this area is pretty good, and I
Yeah.
like their house.
Yeah, it's not that big, but it's cozy.
I will buy a house in Malaysia. Maybe I will buy
You want
such.
to buy? Can you afford it?
No. Okay. So now maybe it's time to leave.
We
Yeah,
need to say goodbye and leave.
because tonight we need.
Go to another place.
My parents want to go to the Huaren Street. They call it Chinatown.
你要看到的啊？
这其实在高山，
啊？
世界之巅，你是知道？
Wow, the color is so beautiful.
Yeah, and this little car, wow. It sounds like in some movies.
Yeah.
And this car, very old school and very
Yeah.
small.
Okay, so now we want to talk about the Malaysians' hospitality. The story begins with my sister. The relationship between my sister and the uncle and auntie is not relative at all. They just met in China.
They are not met your sister, they met your father.
Yeah, they met my sister's father, which is my father.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they just have meal together and mentioned my sister who is going to study in Malaysia. They said my sister can come to their place to live. The room for my sister has been always prepared for my sister to live for 4 years. Actually, my sister lived for first year and then she moved to the campus to live. But on weekends, she will come back to the uncle's house.
So this time we come here is because of your dad said,
Take a visit to the
Yeah, we
uncle and
take
auntie. Yeah,
visit.
we have some Chinese tea for them. They
So-
have prepared a lot of
Yeah,
food.
bef-
We thought they just come our place. Maybe it's because of my mistake. I
Mm-hmm.
didn't really understand. But the uncle come here, drive
Mm-hmm.
here to pick us up and go back to their place.
so nice. Until
Yeah.
now, everyone I met, the Malaysians, everyone's
they
so
need-
nice.
Actually, we can just take a taxi to go there. Go the location. They can give us the location, but they come here in person and take us there. And the uncle has explained during our meal. He said it's a showcase of Malaysians' hospitality. They are so nice. We
Yeah.
are so flattered.
So until now, everyone I met in Malaysia, everyone connect with us. It's
Yeah.
so good, so nice. Actually, I feel a little strange. Why they are so nice?
Because in China, we don't really have this kind of
Yeah,
hospitality.
in my life, not just in China, in everywhere. Because I not just
yeah.
live in China, I also live in Russia. I have been to other countries, yeah, European, Saudi Arabia, but just in Malaysia. I feel I'm not just a common person, an ordinary person.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are being so welcomed.
They treat me so nice and so enthusiastic. That makes me feel so good, but sometimes like, wow, why? Why they so nice? I don't know. I think I don't deserve it. Sometimes I feel I want to stay here forever. Sometimes the weather a little hot. 我又有点犹豫，就是 after all, this is not my hometown.
And then you don't have relatives here.
Yeah, I don't have any friends here. Oh, I have friends here now, but not
而且
many
不是
like in
那种
China.
叫
从小一起到大，直到大的那种。But I will consider it.
Maybe just stay here for a long time, a year,
Yeah.
for a short period of time,
Yes, I will.
every
They-
year, maybe.
Yeah, this place makes me feel so comfortable. That's all our feeling about today.
About today's first time going to Malaysian's house and trying their traditional Malaysian food and also homemade.
Yes, and our feeling about this country. This is my third time, and my wife Viona's second time been to Malaysia. So maybe we will have more feelings about it. Okay, today is over.
See
See you next video.
Dan itu tadi video yang baru saja kita saksikan ya guys ya. Dan jujur saya baru saja paham dengan cerita ini bahwa ternyata uncle dan auntie itu mereka ketemu di Tiongkok ya guys ya. Lalu hubungan mereka itu berlanjut. Maksudnya itu hubungan persaudaraan ya guys ya. Ternyata uncle dan auntie ini adalah orang Malaysia. Ketika di Malaysia, rupanya komunikasi tetap berjalan. Dan dia memberitahu bahwa ada adiknya, adik wanita itu berkuliah di Malaysia. Dan uncle serta auntie ini langsung meminta agar adik tersebut untuk tinggal di rumahnya guys. Ya, padahal memang tidak ada hubungan persaudaraan, hanya ketemu di Tiongkok saja namun menjadi saudara guys. Nah, inilah sifat asli orang Malaysia yang benar-benar kalau menurut saya ini sulit untuk kita bayangkan dan sulit untuk terjadi di banyak negara guys. Ini adalah pengakuan dari pria tersebut. Dia telah kemana-mana guys. Dia telah mengunjungi banyak negara di Eropa, di Asia. Ya, sudah dia katakan banyak negara yang dia masuki. Tapi kenapa hanya Malaysia saja yang dia nilai sangat berbeda guys. Sangat lain. Dan itu sudah terjawab dari video ini. Ya, bahwa dia merasa kalau di Malaysia itu dia tidak seperti orang asing, guys. Ya, bahwa mereka sudah menyatu dengan atau berbaur dengan orang-orang tempatan. Yap, itu artinya apa? Bahwa hati mereka itu sudah merasa emosional mereka itu sudah berada di negara Malaysia, guys. Dan Malaysia telah berhasil membuat atau menumbuhkan rasa kenyamanan bagi mereka semua dan menjadikan Malaysia negara kedua mereka. Dan ini, guys, dia mengakui ya, jika boleh saya tinggal lebih lama di Malaysia, saya akan melakukan itu, guys. Nah, tapi ya seperti biasa kita juga harus menaati aturan yang ada ya, tentang regulasi yang ada, termasuk juga visa ya, guys. Jadi mengaku hanya 1 bulan visa dia di situ dan tentunya sangat terbatas ya. Sebelum dari 1 bulan dia harus keluar dari negara Malaysia. Tapi apa, guys, kesimpulannya? Kesimpulannya yaitu bahwa dia langsung menyatakan Malaysia itu tidak seperti negara-negara kebanyakan yang pernah dia masuki, guys. Bahkan dia pernah masuk negara Indonesia, guys. Tapi mungkin dia feel dia belum dapat ya, guys ya, tidak seperti yang dia rasakan di Malaysia ya. Karena memang di Malaysia itu dia sudah ke negara Malaysia, lalu pulang lagi ke Malaysia lagi, bahkan membawa semua keluarganya. Itu artinya Malaysia ini dia rasa sudah lebih spesial daripada negara-negara lainnya. Dan ada banyak hal yang unik dan menarik yang pernah dia rasakan tadi, guys ya, selama dia berkunjung ke rumah uncle ini. Dia juga mengalami culture shock yang ada di sana ya, ketika bersalaman juga, ketika berkomunikasi juga, ketika termasuk ini ya kasut tadi, guys ya, tidak boleh masuk ke dalam rumah. Itu apa efeknya? Rumah akan lebih bersih ya, guys ya, karena kasut-kasut dari luar rumah itu tidak masuk menginjak lantai yang ada di dalam rumah, seperti itu, guys ya. Begitulah adab yang mengajarkan banyak orang tentang kebersihan ya, karena kebersihan juga bagian dari iman dan juga wujud dari kesehatan kita, guys. Kalau rumah kita bersih, tentu kita akan merasa atau dapat menjaga kesehatan kita dengan maksimal, seperti itu. Baiklah, guys, demikian tadi video aku. Semoga video ini bermanfaat bagi kita semua dan aku mohon diri. Mohon maaf jika ada kesalahan sikap dan semua mohon dimaafkan dan aku akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.